One thing you should remember in your life that be not afraid of moving slowly, but afraid of standing still. So work hard whenever time is given to you because this time is very much important for you and for everyone who is present in this world. No one knows that what will happen next moment and that which is given to you can be taken away without any information or without any alarm. So always try to live happy, enjoy your life. Whenever the people are enjoying their life in a best way and they realize that every moment is important, just like a drop of water that always falls through the rain. So you should also enjoy it. Whenever you are enjoying your life, then not only you can satisfy your soul or spirit, but you also live happy. Your laugh is just like a weapon for those who are not agree to see you happy. Only for those who are enjoying their life in a best way can live in a better way in this world. Always smile, even tough time comes in your life. I know situation always changes, and that situation can come with every new moment, and new moment may be possible that it also bring happiness. So I just only say that every time there should be a smile at your face and there should be happiness in your mood. Because whenever you are feeling happiness, you can enjoy your life and all the activities or deeds which you want to do in this life, you can do easily. For that purpose, don't take anything serious, whatever the people are saying to you, whatever they are doing against you. But whenever you are not giving them importance, they will stop saying. But you have to work on whatever you are doing, and it is the best form of life to work always with happiness.